Good morning, kindergartners. Today for reading, I have another bear book to share with you. But today, instead of making connections, we're going to talk about another strategy that readers use to help them make sure they're understanding the story that they're reading. The strategy we're going to talk about today is making predictions. One of the things that readers do is they make a prediction about what they think might happen based on the pictures in the story or what they've already heard from the story. So we're going to be reading Bear's New Friend, and we'll stop partway through and we'll make some predictions about what we think might happen next. Bear's New Friend. In the woods in the sun on a hot summer day, Bear feels an itching to head out and play. He goes to find Mouse, his littlest friend, but just as Big Bear heads round the bend, there's a clatter in the tree. Oh, what could it be? And Bear asks, who? Something in the tree. Bear calls, is that Mouse who hides in the tree? But Mouse scurries up and squeaks, it's not me. Bear scratches his head, who's hiding up there? Mouse shrugs his shoulders, perhaps it is Hare. Mouse starts to shout, come out, friend, come out. And the bear asks, who? Nobody answers. Who is it? Asks Bear. They peek in the tree, but nobody's there. Bear cries, no one's here, but where did they go? Then Hare hops along and says, howdy ho. Something sped past, going fast, 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 and the bear asks, who? Hare says, let's go follow to see what we see. Bear says, is it Badger? Who else could it be? But there by a log with Gopher and Mole, Badger is peering into a deep hole. Looking down the hole. So first, the new friend was in the tree. Now, the new friend is in the hole. I wonder what it could be. Come look if you dare. There's someone down there. And the bear asks, who? Bear says, it's not us. But who is it then? I know, says Badger, it's Raven or Wren. But Raven and Wren flapped down from the sky. We saw all our friends and thought we'd fly by. Up from the ground comes a rustling sound, and the bear asks, who? So readers, let's stop and make a prediction. Thinking about what we've already heard in the story and what we've seen in the pictures, who do you think the new friend might be? Can you think of an animal that might be in a tree or a hole? But it's not one of the friends that's already here. Turn and tell your grown-up what your prediction is. What animal do you think it will be? All right, let's keep going and see if your prediction's correct. Who are you down there? Who is it, I say? Why stay in that hole? Why hide the whole day? Why don't you like us? Why? Then a trembling voice says, because I am shy. A shy animal. Do you want to change your prediction? Two eyes peekaboo, and the voice says, who? And the bear says, hi. What animal would say, who? I'm Bear, howdy ho, that's Mouse and that's Hare, and Gopher and Mole are standing right there. Next to those bushes sit Raven and Wren. Come swimming with us in the pool by the glen. Please do not hide, come on outside. Then, this is where my students would say ... An owl says, hoo, hoo, hoo. Was your prediction correct? Hello, I'm Owl, and I'm sorry I hid. I'm just a bit bashful, and that's why I did. Bear says, hello, friend. Come on, cries Mole, and they all scamper off to the old swimming hole. They splash and have fun in the hot summer sun with Bear's new friend. So Bear's new friend was an owl. First it was in the tree, then it went down into that hole to hide a little bit. But one of the things, friends, that we need to make sure we're doing as we're reading is making predictions about what we think might happen next. So starting today and forever and ever, when you read a story, I want you to stop partway through and make a prediction of what you think will happen next. See you later.